Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today we are going to make this very beautiful wire ring that is good used both for women and for men. All we need is our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Any kind of bead or stone that you desire, but the spherical one that I'm using, the pink Moonstone bead. Also 1 mm thick wire, a ruler, and of course ring mandrel. To make any kind of rings, first of all we need to determine the ring size. So pick up a piece of string and just wrap it all around the finger that you are going to make the ring for, and then when it's fit, spread it out and see the length. Mine is about 5.5 centimeters. And let's analyze the ring that we are going to make. As you can see, this is a doubled one, so I'm going to double this size, and it would be 11 centimeters. And again, let's see on the surface we have two wire parts that is wrapped all around the bead, and I'm going to add about 8 centimeters for these two parts, and also 2 centimeters on each side to have this wire coiling part. So 4 centimeters is added, and the total length that I need is about 23 centimeters. So this is the length that I need, and I'm going to insert the bead into this wire, and then I would put it at the middle of this length. Then I would wrap it all around the ring mandrel, and at the point that is appropriate for my ring size, we should pull these two strings so that it would be attached tight all around this ring mandrel. And of course, we should make two bends on both sides of the bead on the wire, and again we insert it in, and we would continue wrapping this wire. Now at this point we are going to make two bends on these two wire strands at right and left at the point that they meet this bead. We could again insert it on the ring mandrel, and now we are going to make a curve on both sides. This is the first one, and this would be the other curve. And now I'm going to make wire coiling parts with this part of wire all around the main structure. And to do that better, I'm going to make another bend, and then with my round nose pliers make a U shape and just rotate it till I have a loop all around these two wire strands. You could also fix it a little, squeeze it to be attached better, and then to pull it and continue doing that for at least 3 or 4 times. And we are actually repeating this at the other side. The point is the end of wire shouldn't be somewhere inside the ring. It should be bent onto the surface of this ring, and we are going to push it with chain nose pliers onto the work and squeeze it so there wouldn't be any sharp edges. I have repeated making this wire coiling at both sides, and at the end, if necessary, we are going to squeeze this wire coiling to make both wire coiling parts straighten up. And it's almost done. Let's try it out. Something like this, and I think very beautiful. And now let's to insert it again on the ring mandrel and to separate these two rows of wire a little, and with the plastic part of your tool start hammering that to make these two wires a little separated and to achieve a flat and beautiful piece at the bottom of the ring. And that would be the result, and you could use any kind of bead or stone that you like. And hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please comment for me. I give a lot of energy of your comments. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.